Hello friends, welcome to our channel KilbilHouse. Today we have brought an IQ challenge for you. Let's begin a video with the segment For Your Knowledge. Please watch the video till end. For your knowledge, heart has 4 chambers. Rafflesia is the world's biggest flower. Mercury is the smallest planet. An atom is smallest part of an element. Alligator is world's biggest reptile. Find out the wrong spelling of a flower from the below in 10 seconds. Find out the 3 odd number from below in 10 seconds. Spot the odd figure in 10 seconds. Find out the 5 mistakes in the below story in 5 seconds. Select the correct option to replace the question figure. Answer. The letter is the series made of 5 lines, 4 lines, 3 lines respectively of the same length. Thus the next letter should be made of 2 lines of same length. Hence the answer choice is option 2 V. Find out the wrong term in given series. Answer option C 35. The number increased by 7. Thus 27 should be followed by 27 plus 7 is equal to 34. A couple has 8 children. Out of 5 sons, the 3 are married. Out of 3 daughters, only 1 is married. How many persons live in their house? Answer option B 12. The minimum number of persons in the house are the couple 2, 3 married sons and their wife 6, unmarried son 2, unmarried daughter 2. Total is equal to 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 12. Did you solve all the quiz? Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.